Power the inside panels off and remove the valances. Slide the door to the closed position and make sure you are standing on the side where the screws are visible. Slide the WAAY door lift under your door and lightly step on it for support. Use the provided Allen wrench to unscrew the bolts from the aluminum carriage. Once the bolts are loose, the door will drop down onto the WAAY door lift. Slide the aluminum carriage into the wall cavity and remove the WAAY door lift. Your door can now be removed at an angle.